Hello guys, this is Vivek. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add the existing DLL in UiPath. So let's begin. So here you can see I just created one of the DLL. So it's basically will take two inputs, X and Y, and will return me the output. So there are two methods. One is a add, one is a subtract. So if you pass the parameter, it will work accordingly. So let me build it. So let me open. So I'm going to use this DLL in our custom activities. Okay, so the people who have not watched my earlier videos how to make a custom activities, I would request please go through that, because here we have to use the custom activity to add the existing DLL in UiPath. Okay, so here you can see this was my custom activity code which I have developed earlier. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the existing DLL which just now I have created. So for that, first I have to add the reference. Let me add, and here I can go to the recent, or I can browse. You can see the Kelsey dot, it's not Kelsey. So directly I can copy this path from here, and I can click on the browse button here, see, and I'll go to the calculator DLL. Once you edit, it will come here. You can see the calculator, which namespace I used, you can use here. You can see the calculator. Let's see. So here there were two methods, one is a add, one is a subtract. So we are going to use both. So how can we do it? Let's see. Okay, so here I can give the name, let me keep the same name, or let me change this company name. So here I can put the calculator. I'll give the new namespace, and here I can give the name as add, let it be the same, and here it will take the input as an integer. First name, it will take the first number, and here again it's take the integer, it will be the second number, and here it will return the result. So here what we are going to use, so here I can set it the same, and this is second it should be second number. Okay, so now we are going to use our existing DLL. So we will use the namespace calculator dot Kelsey. This is my class name. I'll create an object and is equal to new Kelsey. Okay, I can use the method. So here first one is a add, I can use the add. So here it's asking the integer X and integer Y. So I have first name, it should be first number. So I can take first number, comma, last number. Okay, and this we can put it in a result, because it will finally show me the result, and this we can set it in a result here. So I can keep some other name, I can put some so it will return me the result. The same way I can use the other method as well. So what I'll do, I'll copy the same, here I'll use the different method, so that is subtract, and here I can give subtract. Okay, so we have created two method, one is a add, other one is a subtract, and we'll see whether it is going to work. So let me build it. So it's build succeeded. Now we are going to use this custom activity in our UI path. So before that I have to use the NuGet package. So as you can see, I just opened the NuGet package explorer, click on the new package, and here I am going to right click, add lib folder, right click. I'm going to use the existing file. I'll put this debug, not this one. There is my custom activity. I'll open this path and release. I can use this one. And I can use both the DLL here. Open. So it's both the DLL added. After that I'll going to update the metadata. So here I'll give the name. So I will give the name as calculator activities, and version I'll keep it as it is and save it, and click on the save. So once you save, you can save it. So I'll save it here, copy this path and save it. It's saved. So what I'll do, I'll copy this NuGet package from here and I'll put it in my D program files UI path studio package, and here, as you are aware, and now I'm going to use it in my UI path. So I'll click on the blank, I'll give the cal external DLL. Okay, let me click on the create. So as you are know, to add a new package I have to click on the package, and here I have to check the go to available local. Here I can see my package. If I click install, it will reflect here. So once I click install, you can see here it's reflecting here, and there I can see two methods which I added. One is a add, other one is a subtract. So let's see whether it's working or not. So for that I'll use the sequence, and inside the sequence first I'll take the add, and here I can put some number. You can pass the variable as well. So I'll pass some variable, number, anything, it's up to you. And to see the result I'll create a variable. So here you can see it's created the new variable result, and to display the result I can use the message box. So in message box I'll display the result. As it's an integer, so you have to convert it. So I can use the toString. That's it. So let me save and run it. So it will show you the 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Let me try some other values. So I can say some 4, and here I can say some 3. Simple. Let's see. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So it's working fine. Now we are going to use the other activity which we have created. So let me use the subtract. Let me delete it, and I'm going to use the subtract, and here I can put, here first number I can put as, I can put like 9, second number I can put like 6, any number you can put, and see the result. Let me run. Oh, 0, something is wrong. Let me try. Oh, so we haven't set the result, so let me put the result as well here. Okay, now we'll try. So you can see 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is also working. So this, have you seen that we have used the existing DLL which was created in a different language, and we imported that DLL into our UiPath package. So this is the same way you can do it for other DLL as well. So I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like my videos, please click on the like button. Have a great day.